Laro naman niya yung maliit, eh, siyempre lang nga namang napaka-demanding naman niya maliit, eh. Eh, si Jade lang nakaupo nagne-Nintendo nung tinawag niya. Julene! You sit there and read your book. No, you don't like her earlier. No. No, she doesn't like now. Juliana, she doesn't want to. Come here. No. No. No, you let her go earlier. No, Julene, don't come. Nope. Julene is not gonna come. Julene doesn't wanna do it. No, you don't want Julene earlier. That's why she left. No. No. Remember, you said you don't like. You remember you don't like her earlier. Nope, she's not coming. You don't like her earlier, so no. You're not gonna be buying toys anymore, okay? No more toys for you. You're done. Nope, that's what happened. You lost your sister. No, you don't have sister anymore. No. Jade, leave it here. You're her thingy. You're gonna be next. You're gonna be next. Leave that one there. You're gonna be next. I know. Don't go anywhere. That's you're gonna be next.